because it has that sandy feel of
And I don't like Rio because it's slippery. No.
God, honestly, if they just did this to Rio, it's not taking that much work. But I work in construction, I know that it's not that much work.
Yeah.
It's a few days of work for a few guys that can make that court look fucking beautiful. Well, the city, I mean, gotta do it. Come on. A few $1,000 on something that's a landmark? That court's been there since the 40s or 50s.
Yeah, a long time.
Yeah, but that's part. Yeah, but that's not. That's like above. That's like through the ceiling needs work. The fucking all the cracks everywhere. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. No, the city upkeeps it. We have the city fucking. You know, and the thing is, the reason why I know why that was upset because what it is like when we went to that meeting, we were gonna break them down. We told them
Don't close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Smoking around the kids, they're playing sports and shit, but that's during the week. But, so that's why he mentioned the blood and stuff like that. Oh, he's talking about the kids, yeah. So what it is like they're trying to keep their promise because they really want the sports to stay because they have a lot of pride in the sports. This has been here for. You guys won't fucking kill each other if fucking you don't drink. Like since you both, I know like they won't like. That's what I'm saying. True drinkers, they fucking fighting a lot all the time. Like now that you're so